Unpacking the phrase, I've had a sour day. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, I've had a sour day. At first glance, this might seem like we're talking about taste, but as we'll see, the English language often uses flavors to describe experiences. Stick around as we unfold the layers of this expression and understand how it can be used in everyday conversations. When someone says, I've had a sour day, they're not talking about eating sour food all day. Instead, this phrase is a metaphorical way to describe having a day that was unpleasant or unsatisfactory. The word, sour, in this context is used to express feelings of disappointment, sadness, or frustration. Just as a sour taste can be unpleasant and linger in your mouth, a sour day is one that leaves a bad feeling or mood that might linger. Metaphors are a fundamental part of the English language, allowing us to convey complex feelings or situations using simple, everyday words. Metaphors liken one thing to another, usually in a way that makes our communication more vivid or expressive. By saying a day is sour, it's an imaginative way to give an emotional texture to time, making it easier for others to understand how we feel. This phrase is typically used in casual conversations, often with friends, family, or close colleagues. If you've had a challenging day, instead of going into details, saying, I've had a sour day, succinctly expresses your feelings. It can be a conversation starter, inviting others to ask what happened, or it can be a way to briefly acknowledge your mood without diving into specifics. Example 1. After a long day at work, you meet a friend for coffee. They ask how your day was, and you reply, honestly, I've had a sour day. Example 2. You come home after a series of unfortunate events and text a friend, today's been so sour, could really use some cheering up. Using phrases like, I've had a sour day, is more than just a way to communicate our experiences. It's also vital for emotional health. Being able to articulate our feelings helps in processing them and can open the door to support from others. It reminds us that it's okay not to be okay all the time and that sharing our struggles can often lead to understanding and comfort. So, the next time you're having a day that's less than great, remember the phrase, I've had a sour day. It's a simple yet powerful way to express yourself and share a bit of what you're going through. We hope this video has shed some light on how flavorful the English language can be in describing life's ups and downs. Remember, no matter how sour your day might be, there's always a sweet one around the corner. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.